Migrating from Tableau to Power BI is a significant move, and knowing exactly what you're working with before you begin makes all the difference. Kanerika's pre-migration utility gives you that visibility up front so nothing comes as a surprise during migration. Here's how it works. The setup is straightforward. Just configure the utility based on where your Tableau data lives, on a local system or a server, and it's ready to go. From there, the utility takes over. It scans your entire Tableau environment, reviews your reports and data sources, and does all the analysis automatically. The output is a structured pre-migration assessment report that captures a clear picture of the current Tableau landscape. This report then gets transformed into an easy-to-understand dashboard. It gives you a visual breakdown of migration complexity, realistic timelines, effort estimates, and potential risk areas, so your migration stays on schedule and within budget. No guesswork, no hidden surprises, no budget overruns. Just the clarity you need to move forward with confidence. Ready to get started? Try the pre-migration utility today and take the first step toward a smarter migration to Power BI.